1, 2, 3,
You
1,
ready?
2, 3.
Hey.
What was that?
What? Headed to Crater Lake today?
No, I did not know in the state of Oregon, the people at the gas station fill it up for you. Do you have to tip them? I have no idea. Look at this bumper sticker. We're screwed. CRISPR card's in Portland right now.
CRISPR what?
CRISPR card.
Really?
Should we go?
Where?
Link up? We just landed in Portland last night.
Let's do it.
The speed limit here is 45, and people are driving like 40. Kill me. I can't.
Ja!
So I'm putting music over this.
Damn
He's gonna fast forward it.
it. I'm waiting for you to talk.
Hey guys! Welcome to another vlog. Fuck Zion! My name's Jeff! First spot of the day.
Hey, Jeff! Hey, Jeff!
Oh God, save me. No, I ain't gonna die for my baby.
Dang, get that shot. Had to make a quick stop right here. Get those road shots, you know what I'm saying? Skating out here. Why do you have poop on your hand, bro? Oh, what the? Why are you holding poo?
It's your poop.
Dang, you nasty.
This is how you make a sandwich without a spoon. Nasty. Gosh.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm making a sandwich, bro.
I just got to Crater Lake. This place is the craziest place I've ever seen. All the kids are having a good time. And then there's James.
Oh, really? We're renting a house at Sun River. I'm actually for little kids. I'm actually from Wyoming.
Why?
Talk to the camera. What just happened? What just happened, James?
No, James.
James just waited 20 minutes watching a woman wet rocks and did not get a patch.
Oh my god. That doesn't make sense.
The sky was seriously pretty clear when we first got here like an hour ago. And now look at all this smoke from the fire. It's crazy. Dang, that looks so bad. It's all black over there. Look at this nastiness behind, between the door. A family walked by and he just stopped midstream.
I had to stop midstream.
Dang, you so nasty. We're at this spot for sunset. We might try using a smoke grenade, so hopefully it turns out well. Right now, we're looking for a good place to use the grenade at sunset. It's like it's end of July. Wait, what is it?
It's August.
It's August. It's beginning of August. It's beginning of August right now, and there's still snow along the edges of the lake. Who wants to make snow angels? Just kidding, you'll probably break your back if you jump on that shit. What are you doing? There's an ant on my arm. So I flicked it off. Low-key debating if I should take a shit on the ground right here. Right on the dirt, right where Zion's standing. Alright, this guy's taking a piss. He beat me to it. There's the stream. Let's zoom in on that shit. Damn, you nasty. You nasty.
Ain't no telling what I'm feeling beyond.
What a bust. This camcorder just took a pretty nasty fall and the lens cover is broken. So I'm gonna try breaking it off with a knife. I just fixed it. I just cut off the lens cover with the knife. Do you see this?
Hey, off you, Jeff!
We're getting 77 mpg right now. Do you see that? How? Photo shooting right now. Holding the reflector. Photographer.
Person look good?
James still ugly though. Shit. What up guys, day 5 out here. We just got to this waterfall spot and we're gonna go to Portland after. Good thing we got here when we did, because now there's a bunch of cars coming in and no parking spots left.
Pull the trigger, ain't nobody gonna do for you. Pull the trigger.
Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger, ain't nobody gonna do for you. Pull the trigger, don't hesitate, just shoot. Yeah, why you believe in the propaganda? Why everybody sound like they wanna be from Atlanta?
Alright, we are climbing down to the waterfalls. This is literally straight down. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Let's go. Woo! Shit.
Watch out for your knees.
Are there more ropes?
There's more down there, but
After a long hike down, we made it to the bottom of the falls. It's pretty sick. Alright, we're done shooting here. Next stop, Portland. Hey! Yo!
watch your step.
Finished the climb. That shit was scary. Zen, what did you just get?
I got a double torture coffee, dude.
What the hell is that? You trying
It has
to die
4 shots
today?
of espresso and some, like, I don't know,
White vanilla.
cocaine, some speed, Adderall. I'm going 100 miles per hour, dude.
Scared.
It's gonna be 475.
Here you go.
Oh my god, dude, that's sick.
We are now entering Portland. Portland is lit, dude. Look at this park.
Yeah, Jack.
At the Lloyd Center. I'm gonna meet up here real quick.
Okay, alright, bye.
Shut the fuck up right now, let me do my
Dang, bro.
Let me see this.
Break it down.
Pretty much taking a road trip.
This is the first spot of the day. Multnomah Falls.
Jeff, your vlog sucks. Unsubscribe.
とした指は空振り掴んだ風はあの日と同じ匂いがした咲いたばかりの小さな花に導かれ
First falls of the day complete. On to the next one. Pensive James. Z Freeman, the shittiest tones in the game.
Crappiest vlog in the game.
Shout out to my 10 subscribers. Second fall of the day. Let's go. All these falls are like right next to each other.
Isn't it a little late? Shouldn't you Show them that you can hold your breath. I heard about a girl.
We are about to get wet. I'm vlogging on my iPhone now because I didn't want to risk bringing the camcorder. Oh Lord.
Stay where you're at.
How you doing, James?
I'm still thinking my family's up there and I'm stuck, so.
Guys, we have to jump across a 10,000 feet ditch.
We made it across the log jam. Yo, this is the craziest place I've ever seen. We're about to get into deeper waters. Look at Zion, knee deep right there. Is it deep enough to pee? No. Damn it! This water is about to get chest deep. We're about to lose some cameras. We made it out to the end of the gorge to this waterfall. Having to put dry socks into wet shoes is the most fucked up shit ever. Now we're headed to the 5th and 6th waterfall.
I'm riding around in my car's low.
We are walking back on the last hike of the day. My feet are so sore. We hiked like 7 miles today and got wet in a river. Can't wait to get back, shower, change, finally eat something.
Dude, that was so scary.
We are headed to dinner now.
He almost crashed. He
To
almost
a-
crashed.
No.
He almost crashed.
We are headed to dinner now at a Mexican place, and the line looks long as hell.
It's all good. Because we got Pokemon and they got Pokestops and we good.
Dang, you good, bruh?
Dude, I'm about to rap right now.
You so good, bruh. No. Walking down the street in Portland.
Diamonds in my chain go up. Okay.
The line is crazy.
Yeah, for you, dog.
What the fuck you waiting for? I don't got to hide, no, I don't got reason to lie. I don't need your drama, I don't need you to survive. You
Do what you want, bro. Say something to me.
and all your friends can open wide, go on and fight me. I know I'm some shit, and I'm cool with it. You can't tell me shit, don't come and show your dialect. Ride around your city like the cops now. Cause there's no way that we're gonna stop now.
Feel my eyes. I'm ready.
Dang, what you got there?
Dude, don't worry about it. For me to know.
James and I are at this laundromat, and it's so hipster. Look at this. Wash and dry in 45 minutes with free all-natural detergent, complimentary Wi-Fi, locally roasted coffee, craft beer and wine, sandwiches in small bites. This is crazy.
Hey, I'm in a photo. Don't worry, I'm getting fucked up. I'm losing control. I'm bumping Fleetwood. She tryna turn off my song.
We're in downtown Portland right now. We're gonna explore the city for a bit and then go back because we're pretty tired from today. You ready, bro?
Yeah. We're going to die tonight.
Maybe you, not me.
Okay, maybe tomorrow morning. That's what I meant.
True.
Because we gotta wake up tomorrow and do a lot of hiking.
We're out here looking for good vantage points of the city, trying to get into hotels, parking structures. It's 1 a.m. picking a McDonald's. Shooting in downtown Portland was not a success today. But it's alright, we're gonna eat, go back, and go to bed. And we have a long day tomorrow, so it's all good. Thank you.
Have a good night.
Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.